Welcome. If you want to remove or add widgets to the home screen in your Sony Xperia 1 Mark III, at the first we are going to remove this analog clock. So you have to click, hold, and then drag to the remove. And that's how you can make it with all widgets that you have on the screen. If you want to add a new widget, you have to click and hold screen and then select widgets from this home screen settings. We can, for example, put here back this digital clock. So click, hold, and then drag it like that. Right now when you click hold and just release, you can resize that clock, as you can see, so we can make it wider. And for sure we can put it also on the other screens. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.